Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Today we are going to start a new point, and that is about the electric switch. We had an arrangement for switching on and off our homemade torch by moving the base of the bulb away from the tip of the cell. How do we can switch on and switch off the torch? By moving the base, that is a torch base, from the base, and then you just open up the base and remove the cells. This way you can switch on and switch off the torch. This was a simple switch but not very easy to use. We can make another simple and easier switch to use it in our oven circuit. See how to make a circuit and how the switch works. For that you are given an example. How you are given an example? By using an safety pin. You can do it at your home also. So let us perform an activity and understand how the switch works. You can make a switch using two drawing pins. Take two drawing pins, a safety pin, two wires and a small sheet of the thermocol or wooden board. Insert a drawing pin into ring at one end of the safety pin and fix it on the thermocol sheet as shown in the figure 12.8. As you can see in figure 12.8, take a thermocol paper, then use a simple clip and use two wires of different color and put a safety pin between. Like this you can see in this figure. Then now fix the other drawing pin on the thermocol sheet in a way that the free end of the safety pin can touch it. The safety pin fixed in this way would be your switch in this activity. See, this is the perfect circuit that you can make. There is one of the cell. It is connected with the clip of both the sides with a different color wire. In between the bulb is kept. You can see that the bulb is kept and the safety pin is in the between. So when you attach the safety pin, what happens? When you attach the safety pin, the bulb glows. But when you detach the safety pin, તમે જ્યારે safety pin ને થોડી દૂર લઈ જાશો, detach કરશો, the bulb will not glow. So safety pin is work as a switch. Now make a circuit by connecting an electric cells and a bulb with this safety as shown in figure 12.9. Rotate the safety pin so that the free touches and the other drawing pin. What do you observe? Now move the safety pin away. Does the bulb continue to glow? No. When the safety pin is connected with that clip, only then that of the time the bulb remains glow. After that, when you remove the or you move the safety pin from like this, then it will not work. The safety pin covered the gap between the drawing pins, and when you made torch, two of them in this position, the switch is said to be on. So when the safety pin is connected with that clip, only during that time it is called that the bulb is on. Since the material of the safety pin allows the current to pass through it, the circuit was completed, hence the bulb glow. Through the safety pin, the current flow, as I explained, that electron flows through the safety pin and bulb will glow. On the other hand, the bulb did not glow when the safety pin was in the touch with the other drawing pin. The circuit was not completed as there was a gap between the two drawing pins. In this position, the switch is said to be off. So when you detach the safety pin or slightly move the safety pin, it is not connected with the another one, and you can say that the bulb will off. A switch is the simple device that either breaks the circuit or complete the circuit. The switch used a lighting of electric bulbs and other devices in a home work. On the same principle, all through their design are more complex. See, the design of the switch is more complex, means complex means jatil che, means it is not simple device, and it is just either complete circuit or either break circuit, or you can say that the bulb will work in this principle. Even you can see that how the inside view of torch, this is the inside view of torch. In this inside view of torch, you can say that this is a reflector, this is a plastic housing, then a slide switch, Then electric cells, these both are the electric cells, and this is the inner view of the bulb. So what do you learn from this? You learn from this that electric switch is the medium to let the electric current flow. So here the 12.4 is over.